Hi, this is Grace. Lately, so many people have loved my Jalu skirt. So today, I'm going to show you how to draft your own full-size Jalu skirt pattern from scratch. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. This is what the full pattern looks like. Begin by drawing the waistband, 19.5 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. If you want to see the measurements in centimeters, check the description. Next, draw the skirt panel, 19.5 inches wide and 40 inches long. The length is up to you and your height. I'm 5'2", and 40 inches works well for me, including 6-inch hem allowance. Now, draw the straps, 3 inches wide and 44 inches long. If that feels too long, you can always use ribbon instead. Label each piece. Don't forget to mark the fold symbol and the green line. It really helps when you're cutting and sewing. I almost forgot the pocket. It should be 8 by 12 inches. Now cut out all the pattern pieces. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides together and lay your fabric flat on a clean surface. Lay each pattern piece on the fabric according to the green line. Make sure the green line arrow is parallel to the fabric selvage. Use pins or pattern weights to keep the paper pattern pieces in place. Now you are ready to cut your fabric. I skipped the tracing step, but if it's easier for you, trace the pattern first, then cut. Repeat the tracing step to cut 2 skirt panels, 2 waistband pieces, 4 straps, and 4 pockets. Label each piece with its initial letter to help keep everything organized when you sew. We'll sew it together next time. See you soon!